record. If you have not got it, let us look at it again. Okay, let us look at it again and make sure that we are getting this. So let me try to share my screen. Okay, all right, let me pin my video and go to simple video mode. What is a draw? There is an application in here. Draw, no, drawing, huh? No. Oh, this is no, it is all on there is no drawing application, huh? Okay, let me still draw it in Word only. Yeah, blank document. Create.
So you can draw it on a whiteboard. So you can draw it on a whiteboard. If you share screen, there's an option to share a whiteboard.
Okay, let me see where is the option to share. Where is the option in Zoom? There is an option, huh?
Yes, sir. You have to stop sharing, and then when you click on share, there'll be an option.
Okay, share instead of share.
So it will give an option whiteboard. Yes, sir. In the share screen, once you click it.
Oh, once I click it, huh? Oh, whiteboard. Okay, all right. Fine. So in that I can draw. Okay. So what we are saying is, okay, so there is a, my drawing skills are very poor, but this is how the bracelet is, right? All these links are into one another, right? They are 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? This is a bracelet of 7 links. Yeah, everyone gets this. Now we want to make it into 3 pieces. One with size 4, one with size 2, and one with size 1. What is the minimum breakages that we want? Okay, this was the problem. This was the problem, right? So let me get a drawing. Can I change the color format? Yeah, instead of I will take this red color. Okay, so what is that last week's problem? Okay, Ahan, you joined just now. I hope you are getting it. We are discussing last week's problem. So there is a 7-piece bracelet and we want to cut it so just as minimum as possible. Okay. So what is he saying is, what is that girl is doing is she's cutting it, getting it cut here. Okay. Exactly here. Okay. On the 3rd link. Okay. Once you cut it there, right, there will be a gap there. Yeah. Everyone gets it. When you cut it, there will be a gap, right? Now using that gap, this piece, let me get a format. Very I want to.
So sir, she cuts on the link, or
on the link there. Okay, at one place on the link. Now the 2 links which are to the left of it, you will be able to take them out from that opening. Correct or not?
yeah.
Right. So what you will be left with, and the other side 4 things are there, that also you can take it out from that opening, right? So
Yes, sir.
so what you will be left with is, let me go back to the original color. So you will be left back with these 2 links here, okay, intertwined with each other. Then whatever is the this side, you will have this 4 link bracelet will remain here because you have taken it out. Got it? This side will remain 4 links like this, and the piece that you have cut here, where you have made a cut, you can, because both sides have come out of it from left side and right side, that will just remain like this. It is not fully complete, but it is because one side is cut here, right? One section is cut here, so it will remain like this. Like this you will get it. Did you get it now? What that girl did?
Yes, sir. So she basically cut that one piece into half. to
Ha,
remove.
not even in half. Just she made an opening there. Okay, she made an opening there.
Okay.
Okay, she made an opening there by cutting it. Once you cut it, right, you can always bend it a little bit and take the piece out, etc. Right? You are used to it. How do you put in keychain? When you are putting a new key into,
Yeah.
what do? You just bend it a little bit, get that opening, and then run it through and make the circle full and put it, right? That is how, right? That is how it is. So did you see, just with one cut you are able to make it into 3 pieces? Did you get it? Everyone got it?
Yes.
I want affirmation. Pranav S.
Yes, sir.
Sai Pranav. Ahan.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, and
Yes, sir.
Ashish and Shreyas, everybody got it, right? So, and now
Yes, sir.
what
Yes,
was
sir.
what is the numbers that we needed to make it? We needed 1, 2, and 4. Those were our power series numbers, right? So we got it here, 1, 2, and 4. So you are able to make the entire week's ka payment in terms of this. That payment and all is just a puzzle ka story. Okay, ultimately what is the thing is, you have to, from a 7 link thing, you have to be able to get to 1, 2, 4. And now the next puzzle was, instead of 7, I have similar thing going up to 63. Okay, there is a chain, maybe there is a necklace you can consider. Okay, not bracelet. This is a length of 63. Okay, and what is your thing? Now you have to 63 days you want to stay in the hotel by giving this link. So imagine that you want to generate the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 63, that you should be able to each map your rings, small subsets of rings, right? You are having there are 63 links in this chain. Okay, now you know 63 means what? What is the power series that you need? 1, 2, to generate all the way up to 63, you need the numbers 1, 2, 4, 8.
So
Yeah.
you can do this in 3 cuts.
How did you do it in 3 cuts? That's what you have to tell.
So
The numbers.
basically I have to cut every alternate one, every alternate number.
So we'll just see. Yeah. Somebody else was saying something. Let me.
Yes, sir. She can cut it in like this is the series of 2, so she can cut it in the series of 3 also.
No, but cutting it in series of 3, she will not be able to generate the numbers, because see, unlike the weights that are there where you can put a weight on the other side and subtract it, here there is no subtraction possible, right? See,
So she can give and take, right?
nah, but where is there is no other side that is there. Just imagine if you put 139, you will not be able to generate 2 from here. How will you generate? Because you only are having, see, the hotel clerk is not having any, sorry, what is this wrong? I think eraser. What I wanted was draw 9. What is this? Draw. Sorry. Draw, I wanted free form. Yeah, with this you will not be able to generate number 2 also, right? See, it is the cashier, hotel cashier is there, and you are trying to give, in lieu of the actual cash, you are trying to give him gold links, right? First day.
But on the day 1, if she gives if she gives 1 link,
yeah,
then the other day she can give 3 and then take that 1 back, and
yeah, but
in this way can she do it?
Wait. Madhura, you are missing one very simple point. If you give it 3 and you take back 1, okay, it is not the hotel owner's link you are taking, it is your own link you are taking. Finally, how much of you have given it to the hotel owner? You have given 3, right? You wanted
Yes.
2 for 2 days of rent, you wanted to give only 2, but you ended up giving 3. Right? So that's why don't confuse this with the other weights problem. And that's why I gave all of this so that your thinking becomes clear. In weights, the negative is possible because you have a 2-sided balance. Okay. You yourself are able to put the weight on the other side and able to negate it. Here it is not like that. In case of the first problem that we discussed, hotel, here you only are giving the link. So what you want is this power series 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Using this, you will be able to generate all the numbers up to 63. From 1 to 63, all of them you will be able to generate. Right? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now now there are how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. There are 5 pieces. How many cuts you will need to make these exact 5 pieces? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Pranav, Sai Pranav is saying he can do it in 3 cuts. What about Ashish?
Sir, I'm still thinking, sir.
Okay. Pranav S.
Sir, I don't think you can do it anywhere, sir.
You can't do it in 3 cuts? Okay. Shreyas or Ahan?
I'm thinking.
Okay. Ahan,
Yes, sir.
can you make it in 3 cuts?
One.
In 7 links, you are able to make it into 1, 2, and 4 using just 1 cut. But 63 links, can you make it into 5? 5 no, 1, 2, 4, 8, 6 pieces using 3 cuts.
Yeah.
Specifically these links. If you can, then fine.
Yeah.
You
sir.
can? Okay. Okay. So why don't you tell? Go ahead. Tell, explain how to do this. Imagine at the beginning, you have got these 63 links. You have got this one big chain of 63 links. Okay. And you are going to cut only at 3 places. Just at 3 places and do whatever you want, and you should be able to get these 6 subsections out of it of length 1
Sir,
to.
can I, sir? Sir, can I, sir?
Just 1 second, we'll see whether Ahan has got it, and then I will come to you. Ahan, do you have any suggestion now? Okay. Okay, let me give the chance to Sai Pranav. Sai Pranav, tell me how will you go to?
So first you can place the cut at the third link. That will be able to separate 1, 2, and 4. And then if you place the next cut, that where 8 will be, then you can make it as 4, 8, and 16. And then if you place the last cut at 32.
No. Wait. So let us see. First you make a cut here. Okay. Now
Yes.
you do not get 1, 2, and 4. You get 1, 2, and 60 now.
Yes, sir. That's why you place a cut at after the 4.
So first time when you make it a cut, okay, let us put it to first cut. What are the after 1 cut? What do you get it? You get 1, 2, 60. Right? This is what you get. Because all the thing on the right side will be together at 60. Now, where will you put the second cut?
So the fourth one of 60. So that will separate 4 and 56.
Between 4, 50, so fifth link you will cut it, huh?
Yes, sir. Then you'll get 4 and 56.
Okay, so then what you will get it is, you will get 4. You will get that one link which you have cut it again. You will get that, and you will get 55.
No, sir. You don't have to remove the 1 from the 55. Keep the 1 with the 55.
Okay, then you will get 4 and 56. Okay.
Yes.
So then you will get after thing you have got 4 and
8 and 8
and 56 you have got it. Okay. Now, so essentially now this 60 is gone, right? Because this 60 you have made it into 4 and 56, right? After the second cut. Now, where will you make the third cut?
Sir, after 8 from the 56.
So after 8, if you make it, you will get 8 and 48. Correct? 56
Yes,
will
sir.
be 8 and 48. So it is still not enough, right? Because so now this one will also be gone. So you are left with 1, 2, 4, 8, and 48. Right? Using that, you cannot make a number like, for example, you cannot make a number 16 out of it. So you'll require more cuts, right?
Yes, sir, you need 5 cuts.
You need 5 cuts, huh? Okay.
Sorry, 4, I think.
Oh, 4 cuts. You are saying I will do 4 cuts, huh?
4 cuts. Yes,
So
sir.
48,
And then you take away 16 from
divide it
43.
into 16 and 32 by just making one more cut, right? 4 cuts you will make it.
Yes, sir. If you take away 16 from 43, you will get 16 and 43. I mean 32.
Yeah. So, okay. So you are able to do it in 4 cuts. Anybody else able to do it in 3 cuts?
No, sir. It is with 4 cuts.
So anybody needs more than 4 cuts? 5 cuts somebody needs. I'll tell you that it is possible to do it in 3 cuts. How? You have to think. You have to think imaginatively. So again, I solved this problem. I also did not know, but I thought about it in my morning walk and solved it. Okay. So here is the solution. I mean, should I wait? You are trying some more time? Some more things you are trying?
Yes, sir. Please wait.
Okay. Meanwhile, I will rub off these things, this side of things I will rub off. Ahan, you got it? I think you have to got disconnected and join back. I hope you got the first part of the thing, explanation right. Huh? Okay, ready? Or still thinking going on? CPU is running. Time up, time up. Any?
Yes, sir. You can tell.
You can do it in 3 cuts?
No, you can tell the answer.
Sai Pranav, Shreyas, Ashish.
Oh,
I
sir.
think need 4 cuts.
But sir, I got a theory of how you can do it.
Okay, very well. Then tell the theory. Yes.
If you can split 8, 16 and 32 with 1 cut, you should be able to do it.
Yeah, but how do we? I think that looks difficult, right? 8, 16, 32, it looks difficult, right? In 1 cut.
But I thought of it this way, that if you can cut off 1 and 2 and
So
4,
here-
and then you make a cut 4 and 8,
I
and
will.
then you'll be left with 32. And you have 1 cut left to split them.
I will tell you the magic number where your first cut should be done. Okay, it is first cut is very important. Where you do after you do the first cut, then the problem you should be able to solve it. Okay, first cut, where do you do it? Okay.
So at the at the 3rd or the 7th one.
First cut you should do it at 14th link. 14th link. So what you will be left with? You will be left with 13 on one side, 1 where you are making the cut, and how many? 49 on the other side. Got it? Is it clear? This much you
Yes,
should,
sir.
right? 14th one if you cut it. 14th one. Right? And take out both the left part and the right parts. Left part will be 13. Right part will be 49. 13 plus 49 is 62 plus 1 is 63. So 14th link you are cutting. Okay? This is the first step. Okay? All right?
Yes, sir.
Now do you get what? Now what should do? Now you should do 2 more cuts.
So 8 and 4. You split the 30.
8 and 4 are making it 12. How do you get it out of 13? By making 1 cut at 5th link. So second cut at 5th link of 13 piece. Okay. So what you will be left with now? So the 13 piece was there, 13 link piece. There in the 5th one you cut it. So you have got 1. I mean you have got 4, 1 and 8. Right? 4, 1 and 8 you have got it. Okay. Fine. Where is the third cut? Third cut is, now you must have got the idea.
Yes, sir, you get 1, 16 and 32, and then you fuse 2 of the ones together to make a 1 and 2.
So third cut, yeah, at 17th in the 49.
So then you get 16, 1 and 32, and then you put together the second cuts 1 and the third cuts 1, and then you have all numbers from 1 to 32.
Yeah, so now you have got 4, 8, 16, 32, 1, 1, 1. This is what you have got it. Now, actually, you don't even have to combine them into 2 of them into 1. If you want, you can very easily combine them because you can always, because all of them are open, you can always put them together into 1. But even if you leave it out, that is okay. Your problem is solved for paying to the hotel guy, right? So what we did is, so first entire thing was there. So what did we do? Essentially, you have to be able to get it. That this is the thing. Now we made 1 cut here. So now made it into 3 pieces, right? Then in this side, we made another 1 cut. So this itself, we made it into 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, because this itself is a piece, right? Of size 1. This also is a piece 1. And this we made it as also a cut here somewhere. And this is also a piece. So how many of the pieces are there now? Blue side, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and red there are 3 pieces of length 1. But blue, you are covering all the ones that you need, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And the ones that are remaining is 1 and 2, but you can always these 2 you can put together into a 2 link thing, or you can keep it separate also. It doesn't matter. For the problem it does not matter. But did you get this? With 3 cuts, how we are able to do it? Got it? Madhura says she has got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Ashish. Ashish also got it. Okay. Pranav S. Sai-
So,
Huh?
any number,
Sorry.
if there was a different number, for example, sub 80, 86, how can,
Then you require probably, so see, up to 63 you can do it with 3 cuts. Okay. Now if it is more than that, you will require more cut than that. It is not that any number you will get only 3 cuts. No, it is not. If you go up to 127, you can do it in 4 cuts. Okay. Up to 127 you can do it in 4 cuts. Up to 63 you can do it in 3 cuts. Okay. All right, Shreyas also got it. Good. Ahan, you got it? Excellent. Okay, so let us, with this then, let us move to, stop sharing, and I will move to this week's problem. Right, this week's problem, let us go to and see what is the problem. So first of all, the pets part, did you get it? What the professor asked, he said, so he was saying, he was asking his student a riddle. So he was saying, okay, you have to tell me how many pets do I have. If all of them except 2, all of them are dogs except 2. So all other pets except the dogs are 2. No, sorry. What he's saying is all of them are dogs except 2. So all the pets that I have are dogs except 2 of them. So 2 of them are not dogs. Okay. Then he says all my pets are cats except 2. So only 2 of them are not cats. Everything else is a cat. And then he says also all of them are parrots except 2. Again, he's saying that means all the pets are parrots except 2. 2 of them are not parrots. So essentially,
Then I know the answer.
huh? Sorry.
So I know how many pets he has of each.
Yeah. So that is the question.
One dog, one cat, and one parrot.
Yeah. Correct.
Because then all the others for it are 2.
Yeah, correct. The simplest case, 1 dog, 1 cat, and 1 parrot. And when he says he has 1 dog, he can always say, oh, all of them are dogs except 2, because even 1 dog also out of 1 also means all, because he has got only 3. So if he takes out dog, then all of them are not dogs, right? So that is the thing. So, and the algebraic thing to how to solve this with a technique, not directly just like that, is that let X, Y, and Z stand respectively for the number of dogs, cats, and parrots. Right? This is the algebraic way of solving it. Okay. X is the number of dogs, Y is the number of cats, and Z is the number of parrots. And total is N. Okay. Total number of animals. Okay. So you have to guess N. Okay. But what is he saying? All of them, N is all of them are dogs except 2. So that is N equal to X plus 2. So when you consider X as the variable dogs, then X plus 2 makes it the total number of pets. Similarly, N is equal to Y plus 2. And similarly, N is equal to Z plus 2. Right? In all the places, the N is the same. Left side is same. That means X plus 2 is equal to Y plus 2, which is also equal to Z plus 2. Right? So that can mean only if X, Y, and Z are equal to each other. Okay, then only it can happen. Also, he says that N is equal to X plus Y plus Z. Okay, so what does this mean? Because Y is equal to X and Z is also equal to X, then N is equal to X plus Y plus Z is same as N is equal to X plus X, which is N is equal to 3X. Right? Now, and 3X is equal to X plus 2. Right? So how do you solve it? So 3X is equal to X plus 2. So you know this solving of these equations. Do you know how to do it? You take the X on the other side. 3X minus X it will become, because when you take it on the other side, it will become minus. Right? So, or you subtract X from both sides. So one side will be 2 and the other side will be 3X minus X, which is 2X. 2X is equal to 2. That means X is equal to 1. Right? And if X is equal to 1, Y is also 1 and Z is also 1. Right? So this is the way of algebraic way of solving. Okay. Now these are now the second puzzle. You would have heard many times. You would have heard this from your relatives, dad or mom or whatever it is. Some you would have heard how to. So now there is a farmer, okay, and he's going to go to buy some animals. Okay, he buys 100 animals, exactly 100 animals he buys, and he pays $100. What is the rate of each animal? Cow costs $10. A pig cost $3 and a sheep cost 50 hash means 50 cents. Okay, it means half a dollar. Okay, it is like 50 paise we have it. So 50 cents means half a dollar. So prices are 10, 3 and half. Okay, and he spends exactly $100 and he gets exactly 100 animals. Okay, not 99 animals, not 101, not 95 or 105, exactly 100 animals, and he pays exactly $100. How many solutions exist? How many ways can this happen? Or you are asked how many cows did he buy, how many pigs did he buy, how many sheep did he buy? If you apply the previous algebraic logic, you can solve this. Okay, otherwise you have to keep thinking, oh, this way, that way, etc. But there is a technique, there is a mathematic behind it of solving it. That is what is what I call. That is what you have to think. Has anybody solved this? You may not have had time because I might have sent it only yesterday or a day before yesterday. I don't know. So no worry. Think about it. But have you understood how to solve it with these equations x, y, and z, right? And total is n. You can exactly apply that same logic and you will be able to get it. If anybody has got it, then I will be happy to. I will be happy to discuss. Otherwise, you can take it as a homework and let us discuss it. And why it is called, and there is also a scenario B. Okay, scenario B where the prices are $4, $2 and $1/3 of a dollar, means you get $1/3 of a dollar per ship, means you get 3 sheep for $1. Okay, again the aim is to see how do you make it 100 animals from $100. How do you buy it, right? And this is called as these type of equations, and where you are saying that the values have to be integers. Okay, values have to be integers, because see, you cannot buy half an animal, right? He is buying live animal, so it is not that cow or pig or sheep he can get half or 1/3, right? So whatever it is, x, y or z values have to be integer values. Integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that, not 3.5, not 1.25, right? Not 7.8. These values are not allowed. Only the integral values are allowed. So which means the solution has to be there. Either it has to be there as like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, or thing. There is no way you can say that I will buy 1/3 of a sheep, pig. Yeah. And these are called as Diophantine equations in mathematics. Okay, there is an entire branch of mathematics called as Diophantine equations, where all the equations are such that the solutions have to be integers. Then only it is okay. Okay, and very famous Diophantine equation, most famous, is Fermat's last theorem. You might have heard that Fermat was a French mathematician, and he had written one theorem in his manuscripts. He wrote it, and he says that, oh, I have found this beautiful theorem. Only thing is that I don't have that space here to write the proof. Okay, so in the margins he wrote, margin is too small. I was just writing something, but suddenly it occurred to me that this theorem, x raised to n plus y raised to n equal to z raised to n, okay, for n greater than 2. And he says that, oh, there is a beautiful proof for this theorem. Unfortunately, I don't have space to write it. And that's how he left it. And then he did not even write back. And later on he died. And then they discovered his papers. And then everybody found this equation, very interesting equation, Fermat's last theorem. You might have a lot of stories on this. You might have heard it, or you might be there on Google, etc. What is the proof of that? Like hundreds of, more than 200 years, I think, or 150 to 190 years, it was proof. Recently, in this century, the proof was discovered. Okay, in 21st century. But I think it was this, the Fermat's theorem was in the 18th century. So almost 250 years it took. Okay. So anyway, that is just a side story. So of what is the mathematics behind it and Diophantine equations, etc. But please solve this and let us discuss it next week. Okay. All right, somebody has
But I solved scenario A.
you got scenario A. Okay, give me what is
At least, sir. So so you get 1 cow, 1 pig, and then 98 sheep, and then you have 14. Wait,
no
you
no
have 49 plus 13 dollars that you have spent, and then you get 62, and then what's left to get is 38, and then out of 38.
Wait. I think first step itself is wrong, because if you get 1 cow, 1 pig, and 50, what is that? 98 ships, right? Then you will spend $112. How do you don't have, you have to spend only $100.
So how do you spend that much?
You have to exactly $100 and exactly 100 animals.
So, but then, if you buy 98 sheep,
Huh.
you get $49 from the sheep alone.
Correct, but after that you buy 1 cow, that will makes it for, okay, so it is not 112. So 49 plus 10 is how much? 59
Plus
plus
362.
Okay, so you have spent less. So you spent less. So that is also not allowed. So you
Yes,
have
sir. Sir, but then now we have 28 left, and out of that 28,
38.
let's say you swap one of the sheep for a cow, then you will get then the cost will increase by 9.5.
Yeah.
So the amount more needed will drop from 9.5. So from 28, it will become
38. It was 38. 62 plus 38. It was 38.
oh yes, sir, 38. It will become 29.5.
Correct.
And then if you swap one more sheep for a cow,
Yeah.
then it will become
20.
it will become 20.
Correct.
And then every sheep that you swap with a pig, you get 2.5 more.
Yeah.
So then
So what is the final answer? So got it. So what is the final answer? But final animals also have to be exactly 100. They cannot be less. They cannot be more.
oh, I forgot the animals have to be 100.
Yeah, because the number of animals will change more than 100, right? I mean, they will become less than 100.